Hi, this is Venkatesh. Welcome to Venky's Emerging Edge YouTube channel. So, today we are mainly focused on gradient boosting. Okay. So, what will happen in gradient boosting? In gradient boosting, it is one of the boosting technique. It is also mainly focused on weak learners. But here we are mainly focused about residual. Residual means error. Is it clear? So it is also applied to the classification as well as regression. But here each and every step we are mainly focused about residual only. Okay. Can I take a small example, small data set. The data set, for example, you can find out say ID, age, is maybe salary. So salary is a prediction. Target. So ID, for example, 22, 10, 25, 15, 18. Age 80, 60, 50, 30, 70. So salary 70K, $70, $30, $50, $20, $80. Is it clear? So here we by applying the gradient boost, we can predict new prediction. That's the main thing. But we are mainly focused on residual. So before that find the residual, we can find out the here value. So that is the residual value. So residual value, this is completely regression technique. So here we can find out the residual value. Residual of value, how can we find out? We will sum up all the values. That means 70 plus, 30 plus, 50 plus, 20 plus, 80. What is the value? 100 and 100, 200, 250. 250 by 5. Total 5, na? So 5. So total 50. Is it clear? So here take a 50. So here residual means the 50 minus 70. That means average finally we get a value is only 50. But is given salary prediction 70. So 50 minus 70. Then we take minus 20. 50 minus 30. This may be 20. 50 minus 50, 0. So 50 minus 20, 30. 50 minus 80, minus 30. Is it clear? The first residual model, we are running, working the first model, then this is only correct prediction. There is no error. Is it clear? This is first model. We go for a next model. So based on that means we will construct a decision tree for a first model. The decision tree is maybe a based on condition yes or no. Again we calculate the values of a yes or no. So this is a first residual model. Okay. After that, again we calculate the residual 2 for a second model. This is a second model. The second model again we are minus 20 minus of 70. That means again we calculate all the values average. The same principle will occur. The actual value minus this value. Minus 20 of minus 70. That means minus 90. 20 of minus 30. Minus 10. 0 of minus 50. Minus 50. 30 minus 10. 10. Minus 30 minus of 80. So minus 110. Again we are go for a decision tree model. Next again we find out the again residual tree. So where we are matching up the correct value of what is the prediction value 50. Where we are matching up 50 value, then we stop the model. That means based on each and every model we are working with a residual. But what about previous model? So that's why this is called a gradient boosting mission. The gradient boosting mission mainly depending upon only error rate only. How can we find the other way? This is only regression model. That's why we will calculate the entire values, the average value. That the average value can be minus from your prediction value. Is it clear? This is the first error, first model residual. The second model residual. So when we are stopping, to where our model can model decision tree will be so perfectly, so division perfectly identify the values. Then only we stop the model. So this is here we are mainly focused about only a residual value. Okay, thank you.